I thought you said pair of shoes.
Yeah, boy.
You have been warned. There is nowhere to run. You will pay the price. I will take the...
Why would you